Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can actually get all the details of your call logs, basically your missed call, received calls and dial calls, and save it as a PDF and send it to other people as PDF. Also how you can actually create the backup of your call logs, a XML file. So for that, first of all, all you need to do is just go to the Play Store, and here you just type call log backup, and just scroll down a little bit, and here you can actually see a app by Daydreamer LLC, call log backup and restore XML with and PDF reports. Just install the app. So the app is installed, so now I'm just gonna open it, and from here you need to actually take the terms and conditions, click proceed, and here you need to give access to your contacts and phone call logs, click allow. So first of all, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually backup and restore your call log. For that, just click the three lines which you see in the upper left corner, and from there you can actually see the backup and restore option. Just click it, and this is the XML call log backup, and just type any output file name, whatever your file name is, and you can see an address in the red font. That is where the output file is gonna be. And so just follow this path. Basically, if you want to see it, file manager / storage / emulator / 0 / call log backup and restore / whatever your output file name is, and just click generate call log backup, and just click allow, and here you can see call log backup created successfully. So I actually created a backup for my call log, and to restore the call log, just click the select backup file, and here you can actually see, please choose XML backup file created with call log backup and restore. Default path of backup file in mobile internal storage is as follow. So basically just follow that path, and then just click proceed, and just find that path and just select that file, and then just click the restore from backup. Okay, so that way you can actually restore the call logs. So if you want to save the current call log to your phone, or if you want to send your call log to someone else, just click the export call log to PDF, which you can actually see in the upper right corner, and from there you can actually see the different option: export complete log, export dial calls only, export received calls only, export missed calls only. And so select on your choosing, and also type whatever the output file name is, and make sure you know the output file path. This is where it's gonna saved, file manager / storage / emulator / 0 / call log backup and restore / whatever your output file name is. And make sure you give a tick to the open share option after creating file if you want to share it to someone else. Okay, so make sure you tick it, then just click export to PDF, and it is currently saved on your mobile. And now you can actually have the option to share it to WhatsApp, Bluetooth, Drive, and Telegram. So that's how you actually share your call log to someone else. So I hope it is helpful for you guys, and see you guys on the next one.